Hello friends, as you know, currently I am in Burundi. This is the mobile charging shop in the rural area of Muinga province. This is Buhinuza village. They connect the battery with the solar panel, they charge with it, then they connect the connections with stabilizer. After stabilizer, they are using this extension board made up of wood. Then they charge multiple mobiles, speakers, batteries, torch, even walkie-talkie. Okay, they charge for this for one phone. They charging 1000 for one mobile. Okay, as you see, the solar panel is connected with the battery through the cable. Then they connect the stabilizer with the battery.